How about a tour of my Christmas trees before I get ready to take everything down? This is the big tree in the living room, and I believe the tree is 9 foot tall. And it's basically red and white. All those packages are fake. There's nothing in them. But after Christmas and prior to Christmas, and I can kind of bend down here and show you guys, but it just makes it look better from a distance when you don't have the bottom of the tree showing. So I did that. I seen it, I don't know, on TV, Pinterest somewhere, and I thought it was kind of cute. So garland around the doors, garland around the windows. Ignore the gift bags. I got to clean that mess up. My Christmas village, which I just did a video on the new Christmas village and the other stuff that I have. I'll show you guys the fireplace real quick. Here's my fireplace. I didn't turn on the candles on the lantern, but you get the gist. Now this year we bought a couple candle holders and cut them down and made them to where I plug them in instead of using candles all the time and going through batteries upon batteries upon batteries. And I didn't turn on all the candles, but all those come on. Mickey and Minnie I've owned for, I don't know, 18 years-ish. I usually put that wreath outside, but this year I had it hang it. Of course, I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. And I'll step back so you guys can see the full fireplace. My current Christmas village, which I'm getting ready to redo some of the pieces because I've just purchased a bunch of new, which I'm getting ready to upload a video. There, I went ahead and turned on those candles for you so you could get part of the gist. I guess I could have turned the other candles on the fireplace, but use your imagination. Those candles and the candles on the opposite side do light up. Yeah, I hear ya. This is what the bottom of my tree looks like over here. Ignore that, I messed it up. This pink tree lights up right here, but I ended up snitching the adapter for that Christmas tree on the counter to show you guys. And did I put batteries in that guy? I did not. So that truck takes batteries. This is what I call my candy tree. How about that? Bless you. Some of the candy ornaments I have purchased from either Cracker Barrel or Hobby Lobby. And a lot of them are just nice and sparkly. Of course, a lot of gingerbreads because obviously my name is Ginger. I just think that is adorable. that's what that looks like. I didn't light these for you guys, but the buildings all light up. Which I'm getting ready to start taking batteries out of everything that lights up. This is what I call Ed's tree. It was supposed to be in the man cave. He hasn't finished his man cave. And because it's sitting here in the dining room, I just added a lot more like buffalo check. It's got his hand and the men stuff on it. So that's what we call Ed's tree. And then it's got fake presents underneath it. Ignore the totes. That's right here by Nala, because we're getting ready to literally take everything down. My dining room table. I should have done this before I brought all the totes in. So ignore the hot mess. Getting ready to start working on unfinished wood chairs and working on those. Everything but the salt and pepper shakers and the candle came from Hobby Lobby. These we've had forever. And I got this guy hanging up here in the kitchen. That's really long. Some stuff up there. All the shelves are covered. And I didn't light up the built-ins. I should have, but you guys get the gist. One of my gingerbread houses. One of my other gingerbread houses. And the Mickey Christmas train. Which I did not put batteries in the Mickey train, only because the husky sitting beside me will derail it every time. And that's by Lionel. I can't add buildings to it because it's ready to play, what they call ready to play. So you could add track, but you can't really add buildings and all that. So I've just used I didn't light anything up this year, but we did have to build the base just to kind of keep the train nice and flat because the dog loved to derail the train. So we did build a base and put it underneath there. And then inside all the windows, I have candles, which I have the blinds closed so you don't really see the candles.